Picture this. You finally made it onto your cruise ship. The ocean is calling your name, the music is playing, and before you even take your first sip of anything, there's one question everybody keeps asking: should I get the drink package or not? Because right now, that one decision can either save you a ton of money or have you wondering why your onboard account looks like a car payment by the end of the trip. So before you swipe that card and lock yourself into it, let's break down exactly what cruise drink packages really are, what they include, and whether they are actually worth it for your vacation. Let's talk about one of the most talked about cruise add-ons, the drink package, because this right here can either elevate your vacation or quietly drain your wallet if you don't understand how it works. First, you need to know that cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival Cruise Line, and Norwegian Cruise Line all offer multiple tiers of drink packages, and each one is designed for a different type of traveler. The most basic option is the soda package, and this is exactly what it sounds like: unlimited fountain sodas, and sometimes Coca-Cola freestyle machines depending on the ship. This package is perfect if you love soft drinks and don't care about alcohol or specialty beverages. It's usually the cheapest option but also the most limited in value. Next up is the refreshment package, sometimes called the non-alcoholic package. This one steps things up big time because now you're getting specialty coffees, bottled water, fresh juices, mocktails, premium teas, and smoothies. If you're the type of person who grabs a latte in the morning, a smoothie by the pool, and bottled water throughout the day, this package can actually pay for itself pretty quickly. Now let's get into the big one, the alcoholic beverage package, and this is where most people start debating if it's worth it or not. This package typically includes cocktails, beer, wine by the glass, and in many cases, specialty coffees and bottled water too. Some cruise lines cap the price per drink, meaning if you order something above that limit, you just pay the difference. Here's where strategy comes in because the average alcoholic drink on a cruise can range anywhere from $10 to $15, sometimes more depending on the ship and drink. If your package costs around $70 to $100 per day, you're looking at needing about 6 to 8 drinks daily just to break even. And let's be real for a second. That's not just alcohol. That includes morning mimosas, poolside cocktails, wine at dinner, maybe a late-night drink, plus bottled water and coffee. It adds up faster than you think. But here's the catch, and this is important. Most cruise lines require that if one adult in a cabin purchases the alcoholic package, the other adult must also buy it. That rule alone can double the cost instantly and is one of the biggest reasons people regret purchasing it. Now let's talk about when it is actually worth it. If you are someone who plans to drink consistently every day, enjoys trying different cocktails, drinks specialty coffee daily, and doesn't want to think about your tab at the end of the cruise, then yes, it can absolutely be worth it for the convenience and peace of mind. But if you're more of a casual drinker, maybe a couple drinks a day, maybe you're off the ship a lot on port days, or you just don't drink alcohol like that, then you are probably better off paying per drink and saving that money for excursions or experiences. Another factor people forget is port days. When you're off the ship exploring places like Cozumel or Nassau, you're not using that package nearly as much, but you're still paying full price for it. Also keep an eye out for pre-cruise deals, because cruise lines constantly run discounts on drink packages before you're sailing. Buying in advance is almost always cheaper than waiting until you get on board. So here's the bottom line. The drink package is not about whether it's good or bad, it's about whether it matches your lifestyle on that cruise. If you want unlimited convenience and plan to fully use it, it's a great investment. If not, it's an easy way to overspend without realizing it. Make the decision based on your habits, not the hype. And your cruise experience will be a whole lot smoother and a whole lot smarter. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how cruise drink packages work. and whether they actually make sense for your trip. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your habits, your vibe, and how you want to experience your vacation. Because the goal isn't just to spend money, it's to spend it smart and enjoy every moment without stress. If this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips and travel guides, and drop a comment below letting me know if you're team drink package or pay as you go. And until the next one, travel smart, cruise easy, and I'll see you on the water.